Looking for cute and creative 4-month baby photo shoot ideas at home? In this video, we'll show you how to set up a memorable baby photo shoot right in your living room. No professional photographer needed. These easy DIY ideas will help you capture your baby's growing personality and precious milestones. Whether you're a first-time parent or a seasoned pro, these tips will inspire you to create beautiful memories of your little one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more baby milestone and parenting content.